Hi, I'm Tisha Copeland at Not Your Mama's Quilt Store in Plano, Texas, and I want to introduce you to our newest little gadget. I don't know what else to call them, it's so cool. It is the Kit and Caboodle. The Kit and Caboodle. What is a Kit and Caboodle? A Kit and Caboodle is something that I dreamt up of in the middle of the night. Literally, I'm like asleep at night and I'm thinking about this, and all of a sudden I jump up and I go, I know what I want, because I love to get my projects all at once and be able to come home and start sewing just like that. I don't want to have to run out anymore and go find the right thread. I don't want to have to run out and find the right color zipper. I thought I had that pattern at home and I can't find it. This is where the Kit and Caboodle comes in. It is fun. It is totally contained. It has everything you need in this fun packaging. It has everything you need to make one of these two bags. Two colorways. Making this with Tula Pink fabric in either the purple colorway or the pink colorway. This is Tula Pink's new fabric line called Pinkerville. And the kit, your Kit and Caboodle, is going to contain everything to make this in the large bag size, but extra. So this calls for a little bit of yardage for the top right here, the contrast fabric, also for the inside lining fabric. Stuck. Inside lining fabric. It's going to call for fat eighths or little strips to make the side right here. What we have included in the Kit and Caboodle is 4 fat quarters that we've already pulled to match the bag that we have shown you. 4 fat quarters, so you'll be able to make more bags, not just one. You're also going to have yardage. That's going to be the contrast fabric right here at the top, and that's going to be your inside. You are going to have your fusible fleece in there. You're also going to get the pattern. You're going to get the zipper that coordinates with it. You're going to get the little tassel, everything in there, and a spool of 40 weight thread or a filled thread is going to be included in the kit, in the whole Kit and Caboodle. And now all you have to do is furnish the sewing machine. You don't have to run around trying to find the right color of purple to go with this. You don't have to try to find fabric that one store was out of it and the next one didn't buy it and stuff. Everything you need is in here already. All you have to do is order it. We will ship it to you. When you open it up, it's ready to use. And I think that's the best thing about sewing. That's what really makes it enjoyable, when you have everything at your fingertips, even the thread, even the tassel, everything at your fingertips to be able to start working now. These are great gifts for your sewing friends or sewing relatives. You want to order one, have it sent in the mail, we'll ship it for you. And it still comes wrapped just like this, so cute, ready to go. So I hope you enjoy this. Go to my website, notyourmamasquiltstore.com in Plano, Texas, and take a look at them. We have a lookbook on there that you can see to get a little bit closer views, and we also have more pictures that you can see and a description. And of course, if you have questions, feel free to give us a call. This is Tisha Copeland, Not Your Mama's Quilt Store in Plano, Texas.